Hello friends, welcome to our MCQ World YouTube channel. Friends, ଆମେ ଆଜି ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ପଲିଟି ର ପାର୍ଟ 3 MCQ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା। ଆମେ ଆଗରୁ ଆଲୋଚନା କରୁଥିଲେ ଟପ୍ 200 previous years MCQ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ପଲିଟି ଆଣ୍ଡ କନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ ର। ତ ଆଜି ଆମେ 60 to 80 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଟପ୍ 20 MCQ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା, ଯୋଉଟା କି ଆମର ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ एग्जाम मानकर आसीथिला से क्वेश्चन गुड़िक जो मैंने प्रथम करी चैनल को विजिट करुछंती से माने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करनियंतु एवं बेल आइकन को दबाई दियंतु जाफर कि आमर आगामी वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन गुड़िक शीघ्र पाई परिबे। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कोन रहिछि आज रो चैप्टर रो देखिबा। इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज ऑप्शन फेडरल, क्वासी फेडरल, यूनिटरी, प्रेसिडेंटल। ए क्वेश्चन टा एसएससी एमटीएस रो क्वेश्चन आसीथिला 2013 मसिया। तार आंसर कोन हो देखंतु। इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन भारत रो संविधान हेउची, उत्तर हेबो क्वासी फेडरल। मु एक्सप्लेनेशन मध्ये कर देछि। द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन व्हिच envisages parliamentary form of government is federal in structure with unitary features, thus it is quasi federal। ए वीडियो रो जेतिकिटा भी क्वेश्चन आम आलोचना आज करवा तार पीडीएफ मु हमर टेलीग्राम चैनल रे छाडी देबी। आपण आने चाहिले सेठू क्वेश्चन गुडिक आउ थरे देखिकी रिवाइज करि परिबे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया came into force in 1951, 1956, 1950, 1949। एटा भी एमटीएस रे आस्थिला क्वेश्चन 2013 मसिया। Constitution of India came into force in answer have 1950। The Constitution of India was adopted by Constituent Assembly on November 26, 1949 and came into force on January 26, 1950। तो यार आडप्ट करा हेतला ताकू 1949 मसिया नवेम्बर 26 तारिख रे एवं सेटा लागू करा हला 1950 मसिया जनवरी 26 तारिख रे। जानि पारले। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा। द स्टेट possesses only external sovereignty, only internal sovereignty, both internal and external sovereignty, neither external nor internal sovereignty। एटा भी एमटीएस रे आस्थिला 2013 मसिया रे। तो आंसर हबो कोन। The state possesses both internal and external sovereignty. At its core, sovereignty is typically taken to mean the possession of absolutely authority within a bounded territorial space। There is essential and internal and external dimension of sovereignty। Internally, a sovereign government is a fixed authority with a settled population that possesses a monopoly of the use of force, reach the supreme authority within its territory। Externally, sovereignty is the entry ticket into the society of states। जानि पारले। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा। The Government of India Act 1935 was based on Simon Commission, Lord Curzon Commission, Dimitrov thesis, Lord Clive's report। ए क्वेश्चन टा एसएससी रो कंबाइंड ग्रेजुएट लेवल जोटा सीजीएल अछि हमर सेही क्वेश्चन आस्थिला 2013 मसिया रे। द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ एक्ट भारतीय अधिनियम 1935 मसिया सेटा कहा कमिशन बेस्ड अनुसार हेतिला। साइमन कमिशन, लॉर्ड कर्जन कमिशन, डिमिट्री थेसिस, लॉर्ड क्लाइव्स रिपोर्ट। आंसर हबो साइमन कमिशन। आंसर टा मु briefly लिखि देछि। The provisional part of the Government of India Act 1935 basically followed the recommendation of the Simon Commission। Simon Commission had proposed almost fully responsible government in the provisions under the 1935 Act provisionally diarchy was abolished. All provisional portfolios were to be placed in charge of ministers enjoying the support of the provisional legislatures. ଜାଣିପାରିଲେ? Next question ଦେଖିବା. Who described the Government of India Act 1935 as a new charter of bondage? महात्मा गांधी, राजेंद्र प्रसाद, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, B.R. Ambedkar. एटा भी सीजीएल क्वेश्चन आस्तेला. Who described the Government of India Act 1935 as a new charter of bondage? आंसर होची पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू. जदि देखिबा यार आंसर at the Fazipur session of the Congress in December 1936, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, in his presidential address, referred to the Government of India Act 1935 as the new charter bondage, which was being imposed upon them despite complete rejection. He said that Congress was going to the legislatures to the combat act and seek to end it. Next question. Who is custodian of the Indian Constitution? President of India, Chief Justice of India, Prime Minister of India, Chairman of Rajya Sabha. एटा भी सीजीएल क्वेश्चन थिला. Who is custodian of the Indian Constitution? Right answer होची Chief Justice of India. The Constitution has made the Supreme Court as the custodian and the protector of the Constitution. The Supreme Court decided disputes between the center and the units as well as protect the fundamental rights of the citizen of India. Next question. Which of the following is an essential element of the state? Which of the following is an essential element of the state? Sovereignty, government, territory, all of these. Right answer कौन होगा? Right answer होची all of these. The state has four essential elements, that's population, territory, government, and sovereignty. Absence of any of these elements denies to it the status of a statehood. ତେଣୁ ଆମର ଚାରିଟାଙ୍କ ଏଲିମେଣ୍ଟ ନିହାତି ଭାବରେ ଦରକାର, ପପୁଲେସନ, ଟେରିଟୋରୀ, ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଉ ସବର୍ଣ୍ଣିଟି. ଏ ଭିତରୁ ଗୋଟିଏ ବି ହେଲେ ସେଟାକୁ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ବୋଲି କୁହାଯିବ ନାହିଁ. ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଦେଖିବା. Which is the most important system in democracy? Which is the most important system in democracy? One, social, political, economic, governmental. एटा एसएससी कनेस्टेबल जीडी 2013 मसीहार क्वेश्चन. तो एमती मु आपण पई विभिन्न सोर्स रो इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन गुडी जोटा कि प्रीवियस ईयर एग्जाम रे पडिथिला से क्वेश्चन गुडी बारंबार आणुची. तो जदि क्वेश्चन गुडी आपण भलो लागुची, इंपोर्टेंट भली लागुची, तो वीडियो टी को निहाती भाबरे लाइक करंतु और शेयर करंतु, सब्सक्राइब करंतु. नेक्स्ट एमिति नुआ नुआ क्वेश्चन आनिया पे कमेंट बॉक्स रे लिखंतु एवं आपणकर जो एग्जाम पई क्वेश्चन दरकार, जो टॉपिक रो क्वेश्चन दरकार सेटा कमेंट बॉक्स रे मेंशन करंतु, जा फल मु आपणन पई सेही टॉपिक रो क्वेश्चन आनी परिबी. तो यार आंसर कोन देखिबा. व्हिच इज द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट सिस्टम इन डेमोक्रेसी? तो राइट आंसर होची पॉलिटिकल. Democracy is a form of a government in which all eligible citizens have an equal say in the decisions that affect their lives. Democracy allows eligible citizens to participate equally in creation of laws and enables the free and equal practice of political self-determination. So, the political aspect can be considered to the most important. Next question देखिबा. Where do you find the ideals of Indian democracy in the Constitution? Question. Where do you find the ideals of Indian democracy in the Constitution? Option. The preamble, part 3, part 4, part 1. हम जो धारा अच्छी part 1, part 3, part 4. तो राइट आंसर कौन होबो? राइट आंसर होची preamble. The preamble to the Constitution of India is declaration of independence, statement, and a brief introductory that sets out the guiding principle and purpose of the document, as well as Indian democracy. It describes it that the state as a sovereign democratic republic. The first part of the preamble, we, the people of India, and its last part, give to ourselves this constitution clearly indicate the democratic spirit. So we found where do you find the ideals of Indian ideals to हमें preamble ले पाउछे. Next question, the state operates through political party, party president, government president. The state operates through government. Next question देखिबा. When was the first central legislative assembly constituted? When was the first Central Legislative Assembly constituted? 1922, 1923, 1921, 1920. The right answer कौन होगा? Right answer होची 1920. The Central Legislative Assembly was a legislature for India created by the Government of India Act 1999 from the former Imperial Legislative Council, implementing the Montagu-Chelmsford reforms, and it was formed in 1920. तो आंसर हम 1920. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा. The Constitution of India describes India as a federation, as a quasi-federal, as a unitary, as a union of states. The Constitution of India describes India as a union of states. हमरा आर्टिकल 1 लेखा आइछि, आपण माने जानिथिबे. Article 1 in the Constitution states that India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. The territory of India shall consist of the territories of the states, the union territories, and any territory that may be acquired. Next question देखिबा. The concept of rule of law is a special features of a constitutional system. The concept of a rule of law is a special feature of constitutional system of Britain, USA, France, Switzerland. The right answer काना होबो? Right answer होचे USA गलत. Britain होची right answer. The concept of a rule of law is a special feature constitutional system of Britain. Description में मैं लिखी देछि भी. The rule of law is an aspect of the British Constitution that has been emphasized by evidence. এই ওয়ার্ডটা মনে রাখিবে. And it therefore can be considered an important part of British politics. It involves the right of individual are determined by legal rules and not the arbitrary behavior of authorities. There can be no punishment unless a court decides there has been a breach of law, and everyone, regardless of your position in society, is subject to the law. Rule of law Britain आसीचे हमर. Next question देखिबा. The method of amending the constitution by popular veto is found in Britain, Switzerland, Russia, India. Veto प्रथाटा हमर कोठ आसीचे? तो राइट आंसर होजी स्विट्जरलैंड रो आसीचे सेटा. Next question देखिबा हमें. Which of the following is an alienable attribute of the parliamentary system of government? Flexibility of the constitution, fusion of executive and legislature, judicial supremacy. Option 4, parliamentary unity. The right answer कौन होगा? Which of the following is the inalienable attribute of the parliamentary system of government? The answer होची fusion of executive and legislature. Next question देखिबा. Grassroots democracy is related to devolution of powers, decentralization of powers, panchayat raj system, all of the above. Grassroots democracy ro grassroots मूल दुआटा कोड स्टार्ट होची The right answer is all of the above. Devolution of powers, decentralization of powers, panchayat raj system. Next question देखिबा. The phrase equality before law used in article 13 of Indian constitution has been borrowed from. Equality before law टा हमरो केउ कंट्री रो बोरो करा आइछि? USA, जर्मनी, ब्रिटेन, ग्रीस. तो राइट आंसर कोन हबो? इक्वालिटी बिफोर लॉ सेटा ब्रिटेन नु आसीछि. The concept of equality before law has been borrowed from the British common law upon which English legal system has founded. However, equality protection of laws has its link with the American Constitution. Next question देखिबा. Democratic socialism aims at bringing about socialism through peaceful means, bringing about socialism through violent and peaceful means, bringing about socialism through violent means, bringing about socialism through democratic means. Democratic socialism means aims at right answer होची bringing about socialism through democratic means. गणतांत्रिक समाजवाद होची एक राजनीतिक चिंताधारा जहा एक समाजवादी अर्थनैतिक व्यवस्था सहित एक गणतांत्रिक राजनीतिक व्यवस्था को प्रोत्साहित करे. यह गणतांत्रिक प्रक्रिया एवं राजनीतिक व्यवस्थार केंद्रीय भूमिका को आलोकित करे एवं साधारणतः अणगणतांत्रिक राजनीतिक गतिविधि सह विपरीत अटे जहा समाजवाद को समर्थन करे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा. Which one of the following judgments stated that secularism and federalism are the basic feature of the Indian Constitution? ऑप्शन देखिबा. केशव नंद भारती केस, एस.आर. बोमाई केस, इंदिरा स्वेनी केस. नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन 4 मिनर्वा मिल्स केस. राइट आंसर कोन होची? एस.आर. बोमाई केस. इन सेकुलरिज्म एंड फेडरलिज्म बेसिक फीचर होची इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रो. एडा हमें जानि परथिले एस.आर. बोमाई केस रु. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा. Who among the following was not a member of the drafting committee of Indian Constitution? our drafting committee गठन होइतला से मेंबर के नुह? बी.आर. आंबेडकर, आलादी कृष्णस्वामी, राजेंद्र प्रसाद, गोपालचारी आयंगर. तो राइट आंसर कोन होची? एमानक भितरु चारटी जो अछंती चार जन ऑप्शन भितर राजेंद्र प्रसाद ड्राफ्टिंग गवर्नमेंट रो मेंबर नथिले. द ड्राफ्टिंग कमिटी कंसिस्ट ऑफ 7 मेंबर्स. डॉक्टर बी.आर. आंबेडकर चेयरमैन थिले, एन गोपाल स्वामी अयंगर, आलादी कृष्णस्वामी अय्यर, डॉक्टर के मुंशी, एस.एम. सुद्दाला, एन माधव राव replaced by B.L. Meter, and T.T. Krishnachari replaced by D.P. Khatian. Dr. Rajendra Prasad headed the rules of procedure committee and steering committee. Next question देखिबा. Autocracy means, autocracy माने कोन? Rule by few, rule by king, absolutely rule by one, rule by the representative of the people. The right answer होची कोन? Absolutely rule by one. Autocracy means होची जनक द्वारा जेतेबेले शासनटा हुए से ता हाथ सबू तक शक्ति थाए और से सबु किछि करि पारे निज इच्छा अनुसार सेटा होची ऑटोक्रेसी. तामाने आज 20 मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आलोचना कले 50 to 20. तो जदि वीडियो टी भल लागिछि निहाती भाबरे लाइक करंतु, आम चैनल को एमसीक्यू वर्ल्ड चैनल सब्सक्राइब करंतु और संगमान सह शेयर करंतु. आ एमिति नुआ नुआ क्वेश्चन आनिया पई आमान कमेंट बॉक्स रे लिखंतु. थैंक यू.